Okay, take any primer of your choice and you're gonna blend it pretty much everywhere on your face. And next is base makeup, which is pore filler, BB cushion, contour, blush, all that good stuff. You're gonna take the pore filler and you're just gonna put it on your nose and pretty much anywhere that you have pores, and then you're gonna blend it, and then after you'll have no pores. I wish. And now it's time for concealer. So I'm just gonna dot it on my under eyes. I don't have any pimples, but if you have any pimples, then yeah, go nuts on it. I don't have any pimples, so I just put a little bit on. And then next is the BB cushion. Honestly, I don't know even why I use a BB cushion, at least now, because I have a foundation. I don't even need that much coverage. I'm stupid. And then next, contour. I just go down the sides of my nose, and then I don't really contour my face anymore. I don't know why I'm doing it in this video. But yeah, I just contour and give myself a jawline because I'm disgusting potato and I don't have one. And then you highlight in the same spots. Okay, next is lip tint, but I use it as blush, and I just put it across under my eyes for like that kind of anime, drunk, blushing look. I like to look like I'm just absolutely wasted every day. It's great. No, but it's really cute and it's really in trend right now. So I just take that and I blend it all across my cheeks and across my nose. And then I took a highlighter, putting it down on my cupid's bow, down my nose bridge to have a slimmer nose across my cheekbones, and also under my chin. Yes, next up is eye primer. So this is just prepping your eyelids for the dreaded work you're about to do ahead. And just pat it on and blend that shit, obviously. And now taking the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted palette. I absolutely fucking love this palette. I use it for a lot of my looks, which is probably why most of the looks I create look the same. Awesome. And we're gonna take that pink and like the bright peach pink and put it all over the lids and the bottom lash line as well. Yeah, okay, and now taking the Maybelline Lemonade palette, we're going to take the red and apply it to both the outer and the inner corner of your top lid, obviously, as what it says to the right. Yeah, it speaks for itself. Yeah, now you're gonna take the light champagne shimmery color and you're gonna put that right in the middle of your lids and give it a little shimmer because Okay, now taking the brown shadow of your choice. Doesn't have to be from this palette. None of these shades have to be from these palettes, obviously. You're gonna line your eyes downwards. It's gonna give it more like a puppy dog eyes, young look, you know. Big eyes. Big eyes, that's what we're going for.
Oopsies, I forgot to fill in my brows. Obviously, I would do this before starting my eye makeup, but yeah, just fill in your brows however you see fit. I usually do mine as natural as possible and as straight as possible, so yeah. Yay, now it's time to create our aegyosal, which is those cute little eye bags that I have in each one of my looks. I can't go a look without I feel weird without them. You're going to use the brown liner to just create the line, obviously, as you saw, and highlight the eye bags and fill it in. Sometimes you could either just do a highlighter and it'll create naturally that shadow somehow. It's fucking witchcraft, I tell you. Yeah, okay, now lightly go downwards with your black gel liner, just like you did with the eyeshadow. And like I said, fucking lightly. Don't get all crazy. Okay, now go over with black liner. Honestly, I regret the bottom line lash liner thing now that I'm watching it. I really hate it. But yeah, do what you gotta do. This is one of those steps you could have skipped. You don't have to apply the bottom liner. Yeah, and then you're just gonna curl it and apply your mascara. Don't ever skip that. I sometimes forget, and it sucks. Lashes. Now apply them and don't be a fucking psychopath about it, maybe. Okay, Aya? Thanks. Thank you. Yeah, lip products to create my classic gradient lip that I do with every single fucking look because I have no self-control and I love it so much and I don't like change. Okay, you put on your lip balm, and then I use the Too Faced Peach Gloss, and I'm guessing most of you probably have that, but I don't because I'm poor. And then I take a red lip tint and go on the inside. And then, you know, just spread that out. And this is the finished look. My friend helped me name it Cherry Soda because I'm so not creative by myself. I thought it was really cute. I hated the bottom liner and I regretted it later, but obviously you can go without. Please subscribe to my channel because please be a pal, be a friend, and keep watching my videos. And I'm gonna post more, I swear. Don't be mad. Bye!